for you, Draven.
The pickle bitch.
Does he make you wear any certain clothing when you go? And is it made out of pickles?
He made me wear a pickle costume and dance around saying that I'm the pickle bitch.
Jesus Christ.
Well, I'm here to assure you, I'm not alone with my professionalism on your story, but Dr. Ruben Sanchez is here to ask you questions as well about your pickle.
Don't drag me into this. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Bird's getting raped by Pickles by his own dad. What do you think is going on?
Alright. Did he ever tell you to tickle the pickle? Wait, what? Did he ever tell you to tickle his pickle? Tickle the pickle with your tongue.
God. The fucking cheekbones are hurting. Fuck you guys.
The fat pickles he did. Did ever try to put it into your anus? He did. How deep did it go? Well, obviously I'm crying over here. But that doesn't explain how deep it went. Okay, now I'm starting to question your freaking doctor abilities here, motherfucker. I feel like you're getting more turned on about this, you sick perv. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's move on to a different question. I'm out of questions.
It's okay, Mr. It's okay, Dr. Sanchez. I'll take it.
Alright.
Okay, Mr. Bird. Now, when you tickle the pickle, is it clockwise or counterclockwise?
He said apparently if the pickle explodes, you gotta do it counterclockwise. Apparently in his mind he gets a weird orgasm to it.
Does he ever paint his penis like a pickle?
No, because that would be too taboo. He just thought, wait, with a pickle it's no taboo, so technically it cancels out.
You poor man.
I got a question. How is it a taboo? Because it just is.
How is it taboo?
Do you not understand why it's so taboo? No. A grown father fucking his own son
With Pickles.
with pickles? Yes, absolutely. I got
It's
another.
like
I got another
you're
question.
like fucking the son with his dick and then puts a pickle in his mouth, keeps shoving it in while fucking him in the ass.
You mean he doesn't use butter? He doesn't butter the pickle?
No, he goes hard and raw.
I got another question. Did he ever try to put it into your ear? Tried once with the pickle. How big was the pickle? Let's just say, did it make it out to the other side? How far did it reach? It hit my brain and I lost consciousness because of it.
Did you pass out?
You lost consciousness, what the fuck do you think? See, I didn't have to fucking say that shit. I can't take it, boys. It's too much.
How did you feel when he woke up? Knowing that there was a pickle dug into your ear.
I noticed there was something wrong with me when I snot out pickle shavings out of my nose.
Those were seeds, Bird.
There was, of course, seeds. They were popping out as well.
Yeah, because he was trying to impregnate you. Now, does he make
with you knowing about sounds. All I did was cry. And cry and cry and cry. He was talking to me dirty and I felt like I was fucking 6 when he was doing this to me. I felt like I was just some young baby getting raped by an old dude. And then he just like saying, yeah, take it, bitch, take it, bitch. And I'm just here crying and I'm crying, like telling the Lord to just kill me now.
Were you screaming like you were in a hentai porno?
Well, why the fuck would you think, you dumb piece of shit?
Wait, I got another question for you, Mr. Bird. Did you ever try to put the pickle in your penis?
Not no 2 kids in the fucking sandbox, you dumb fuck.
I never said it was, I just want to know. Did it?
Oh.
So how did it feel when you shoved one up your ass and made you walk 10 feet? Did you feel the pickle in your ass moving around as you took a step?
Every time. It was bad. Right when I walked 10 feet, I also had to take a shit. So when I took a shit, the pickle exploded in my asshole, and then the shit came out right after.
Did he tell you to not wipe the shit, just keep it in your ass and walk the other 10 feet?
Oh, the worst part was he told me to bend over and he fucked me with another pickle. I got this.
So there was a dick and a pickle in your ass.
No, it was just the pickle.
This is too fucking much.
Now when you cry, how did you cry?
I cried like I wanted to kill myself.
Demonstrate so I can hear the pain. And I can diagnose you.
You fucking sick bastard.
Yeah, you fucking sick fuck.
I need to understand the pain, so I need you to demonstrate.
A therapist is supposed to know fucking pain, you sick fuck.
I know, but I need to make sure that your pain is the same as I'm thinking it is.
Okay, you take douse the fucking pickles and shove it up your asshole and mouth and ears.
What the fuck?
Why did you change your tone, Bert?
Because, you know, he was just getting perverted.
Yes, but this is a therapy section.
No, this ain't no therapy section now. This is just the perverted section. And I'm like, what the fuck?
I gave you the question. How many pickles did you shove in your ass?
Did you not just hear me say 1,000 pickles?
1,000 and what?
1,000? How do you still have an ass? You would have no
Okay,
ass.
John, when you listen to my damn story, the pickles keep exploding in my asshole. And then right after, that's when my actual shit comes out.
No more perversion. No more perversion. Is there any hole that he doesn't try and shove a pickle up?
My eye holes.
What about your nose?
Look at those.
What flavor were the pickles?
Shit flavored.
Were they mild? Were they zesty? Were they bread and butter?
It burned like shit.
There was these spicy flavored pickles and he shoved them up my nose.
Did they burn?
Yes, they
What
did.
the fuck do you think?
Yeah, literally. What would you not think if I friggin' had spicy pickles up my asshole and nose? I mean, god damn.